Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to invite external guests to a Microsoft Teams meeting. First thing first, open the Microsoft Teams and in the left sidebar, click on Calendar. On the top right corner, click New Meeting. Enter your meeting information such as title, date and time, or description. And in the Add Required Attendees field, internal members start typing their name and external attendees type their full email address. Just click Send and the meeting will now appear in your Teams calendar. All attendees receive the invite and can join directly from the calendar when it's time. This method ensures your Teams meeting are properly scheduled and attendees are notified on time. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.